Welcome to our tutorial on responsive design for different devices. What is responsive design? Responsive design is a web design approach that ensures websites and web applications adapt to different devices and screen sizes. It aims to provide an optimal viewing and user experience across desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. By using responsive design, websites can automatically adjust their layout, content, and functionality to fit the specific device being used. This ensures that users can easily navigate and interact with the website regardless of the device they are using. Why is responsive design important? Responsive design is important because it allows websites to reach a wider audience and provide a consistent user experience. With the increasing use of mobile devices, having a responsive design ensures that your website looks and functions well on different screen sizes, leading to improved user satisfaction and engagement. Key principles of responsive design. 1. Fluid grids. Responsive design utilizes fluid grids, which use relative units like percentages instead of fixed units like pixels. This allows for flexible layouts that can adapt to different screen sizes. 2. Flexible images. CSS techniques are used to ensure that images can scale and resize proportionally based on the screen size. This ensures that images look good and are properly displayed on all devices. 3. Media queries. Media queries are used to apply different styles and layouts based on the characteristics of the device, such as screen width, height, and orientation. This allows for targeted styling and layout adjustments for different devices. 4. Mobile-first approach. Responsive design follows a mobile-first approach, where the design and development process starts with mobile devices and then scales up for larger screens. This ensures a smooth and optimized experience on smaller devices. 5. Content prioritization. Responsive design prioritizes and optimizes content for smaller screens by removing or hiding non-essential elements and focusing on the most important information. This ensures that users can easily access and consume the most relevant content on their devices. Tools and technologies for responsive design. 1. CSS frameworks. Bootstrap and Foundation are popular CSS frameworks that offer pre-built responsive components and grid systems. These frameworks can significantly speed up the development process by providing a solid foundation for creating responsive designs. 2. CSS media queries. Media queries allow developers to apply different styles based on the characteristics of the device being used. By using media queries, you can create responsive designs that adapt to various screen sizes and resolutions. 3. Responsive images. Techniques like Cirxit and the picture element enable developers to serve different images based on the device's resolution and screen size. This ensures that images are optimized for each device, resulting in faster load times and improved user experience. 4. Responsive testing tools. Tools such as BrowserStack, Responsive Design Checker, and Chrome DevTools Device Mode are invaluable for testing and debugging responsive designs. These tools allow developers to simulate different devices and screen sizes, ensuring that their designs look and function as intended across various platforms. 5. Responsive design patterns. Off-canvas menus, collapsible panels, and responsive tables are examples of design patterns that enhance the user experience on smaller screens. These patterns help to optimize space and improve navigation, making the website more user-friendly on mobile devices. Best practices for responsive design. 1. Start by designing for mobile devices first, focusing on the smallest screen size. Then, gradually enhance the design for larger screens to ensure a seamless user experience across all devices. 2. Utilize a responsive CSS framework like Bootstrap or Foundation to streamline development and maintain consistency in the responsive design. These frameworks provide pre-built components and responsive grids that can save time and effort. 3. Optimize images by compressing them and reducing file size. This will improve loading times on mobile devices, where bandwidth and data usage are often limited. 4. Test your responsive design on real devices to ensure it looks and functions as intended. Emulators and simulators may not accurately represent the actual user experience, so testing on physical devices is crucial. 5. Regularly update and maintain your responsive design to stay up to date with the latest web standards and technologies. This will ensure compatibility and optimization for different devices, as technology continues to evolve. Common challenges in responsive design. 1. Performance optimization is a challenge in responsive design, as visually appealing designs must be balanced with optimized performance, especially on mobile devices with limited resources. 2. Content prioritization is another challenge, as designers must decide what content to prioritize and display on smaller screens where space is limited. 3. Navigation design is crucial in responsive design, as intuitive and user-friendly navigation menus must be designed to work well on both desktop and mobile devices. 4. Cross-browser compatibility is important, ensuring that the responsive design functions well across different web browsers and their various versions. 5. Accessibility is a key consideration, ensuring that the responsive design is accessible to users with disabilities and complies with accessibility guidelines. Conclusion. Responsive design is essential in modern web development. It involves implementing responsive design principles, using appropriate tools and technologies, following best practices, and addressing common challenges. This ensures that websites and web applications offer an optimal user experience across various devices and screen sizes. We have now come to the end of the responsive design for different devices tutorial. Thank you for your time.